of the hero wins 10.60 Olympic record. Wow!
Another goal. The legacy as one of the all-time greats is surely complete. Defending champion comes back and wins again in supreme style.
Hi trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now trackies, we've been raving. I think I've done maybe a million videos by now about Shericka Jackson post the World Championships. But anyway, here is one more. Right, so we have been raving about the wonderful, awesome, fantastic, phenomenal season that Shericka Jackson has had for this 2023. And of course, the world agrees. And by the world, I mean world athletics. World athletics definitely agrees that Shericka Jackson has had a phenomenal season over the sprints. I'm talking about the 100 meters and the 200 meters. I am talking about Shericka Jackson running 10.65 seconds to be tied fifth all time in the women's 100 meter distance. Trackies, and running a 21.41 seconds trackies to be the second fastest sprinter ever over that 200 meter distance. Not to mention the only athlete in history to have 3 times in the 21.4s trackies. I'm talking about 21.41, 21.45, and 21.48. Shericka Jackson has had a phenomenal season. Now, with that said, trackies, Shericka Jackson walked away with clearly the gold in the women's 200 meters. That's where she ran that 21.41 seconds. And she was second in the women's 100 meters behind American Sha'Carri Richardson. She ran at 10.72 at that moment to take the silver medal. Now, of course, since then, trackies, Shericka Jackson went on to win double, Diamond League trophy. So she's a double diamond winner for the Diamond League trackies, where she walked away with both the 100 meters and the 200 meters crowns. Now, trackies, at that time, she ran a 10.70 in the 100 meters, and she came back the following day, dusted herself off and said, look here, I am a champ. And she destroyed the field yet again to run 21.57 seconds to take the 200 meter diamond trophy. So again, trackies, I said the world agrees, World Athletics agrees that Shericka Jackson's season has been phenomenal, and they have ranked Shericka Jackson second in the world. Yes, so out of all of the athletes that will perform in the world, and I'm talking about females because they do separate them trackies. So second in the world when you compare all of the other events with all of the other phenomenal athletes, Shericka Jackson ranks squarely at second trackies. Now, who you are asking? Who managed to outdo Shericka Jackson this season? Well, another phenomenal woman, and that woman is Faith Kipyegon. Now, Faith Kipyegon shattered 3 world records this season, even though one was stole from her, towards the end of the season. Good as a guy, robbed her back that 5,000 meter world record, but still, it was a phenomenal season from Faith Kipyegon. And also, she went to the World Championships and she walked away with double gold there. Now, trackies, when you look at the points, it was a narrow victory by Faith Kipyegon over Shericka Jackson. Now, Faith Kipyegon's points were 1,584, while Shericka Jackson's points were 1,558. And let's not forget that Faith Kipyegon also walked away with the 1,500 meter Diamond League trophy. So yes, Faith Kipyegon has been doing her thing this season. 2 absolutely phenomenal women, and they both deserve the positions that they're in. And of course, again, as I said, the world agrees that Shericka Jackson's season has indeed been superb. Now, Jackies, you may be asking, so where is Sha'Carri Richardson in all of this? I mean, the woman that walked away with gold over the 100 meters, gold in the 4x100 meters, and of course, a bronze medal in the 200 meters. Where does she end in the rankings, the world rankings? Where does the world see her? Well, Jackies, Sha'Carri Richardson is now ranked 4th in the world. Yes, so she has also had a phenomenal season. and based on the rankings trackies, she was positioned in 4th place. Now her points for all her amazing efforts were 1,506 points. Now let's recap what Sha'Carri Richardson did. She walked away with, as I said, the gold in the women's 100 meters, running a championship record 10.65 seconds trackies. Then she went on to win the bronze medal in the 200 meters and of course anchor the phenomenal United States America team, defeating Jamaica. Yes, rubbing us out. I have to add that in. Yes, defeating Jamaica in that 4x100 meters to walk away with another gold. So her first major championship trackies, and Sha'Carri Richardson walks away with a whole 3 medals. She has had a fantastic season, went virtually undefeated actually in the women's 100 meters all season, only suffering 2 losses, one to our very own Shericka Jackson towards the end of the season at the Diamond League final, and one earlier on to Julian Alfred from St. Lucia. So Sha'Carri Richardson also ranked in the top 5 for the world in terms of the women's events in athletics. Now check is who finished 3rd and who finished 5th. Well, rounding out the top 5 is 3rd place Femke Ball. She has dominated the 400-meter hurdles this season and walked away with the World Championship gold medal in that event, as well as the Diamond League trophy in the 400-meter hurdles. Now her points were 1,524. So as you can see, trackies, not much separating the top 5. When you go back to number 1, we're talking about Faith Kipyegon, 1,584, Shericka Jackson, 1,558, and Femke Ball, 1,524, with Sha'Carri in 4th, 1,506 points. Now rounding out the top 5 in 5th place was Gudaf Sagai with 1,499 points. So trackies, you did hear me mention Gudaf Sagai earlier on and talked about her shattering the world record that Faith Kipyegon had set earlier on at the Diamond League final. So yes, she is now the world record holder in the 5,000 meters, and she won also trackies the women's 10,000 meters at the World Championships as well. So trackies, you tell me now, what do you make about these world rankings? Do you agree with the placements 1 through 5th? I'm talking about Faith Kipyegon ranked number 1, Shericka Jackson ranked 2nd, Femke Ball 3rd, Sha'Carri Richardson 4th, and Gudaf Sagai in 5th place. As a matter of fact, trackies, when I look at 1st and 2nd place, is this a prelude possibly to what could happen at the World Athletics Athlete of the Year ceremony? Remember, I've been touting Faith Kipyegon to take the entire title, the crown this year, because really she's had a phenomenal year and she's been knocking on that door for years. For years, she's also been nominated and never won. And I'm thinking that it is her year to take that win. However, Shericka Jackson look like she's up for the fight. So now tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. Like the video, of course, and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.